Today we're going to show you how to change the key fob battery for your Chevy Impala. This will work on Chevy Impala vehicles 2014 through 2016. You're going to need a CR2032 battery. We've got a link to those in the description below, so check that out. And then all you need to do is take your key fob, and you can see how it's two pieces on the back here. You want to open up the key. This top piece is the piece that's removed. The bottom piece does not removed. I like to hold on to the bottom piece so that it doesn't get removed. And then you're just going to take your finger and you're going to lift up and flip right here. And that should take the back off of the key fob for your Chevy Impala. Then you've got access to the battery right here. You're going to take a screwdriver or something else small, and you're going to put it in that side where there's those little indentations to take the battery out. Now you're going to take your new CR2032 battery. You're going to slide it in. It holds it in if you slide it in place this way with that little indentation there. And now you're going to take your cover, you're going to place it back onto the key, and all you're going to do is press down until it all clicks in place. And now we've replaced the battery on our Chevy Impala 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, and 2019 key fob. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.